Son, Jesus Christ. We have created you to populate the earth, and don't eat the fruit from this forbidden tree.
So lonely.
We can make you a friend. I got your rib.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Hi. This is Eve.
I'm not worried about that.
Hi.
This is so much better than that teddy bear.
The Garden of Eden sure is nice.
Yeah.
I'm not really happy though. I mean, I'm not sad, but I'm not happy. You know? Yeah?
I never know.
No? It must be a girlfriend. We need to populate the earth. I want to have a baby. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's a snake!
Eve, you should eat this fruit. It will let you know good from evil, and we will have a baby.
But this fruit? I thought I couldn't eat that fruit.
That is wrong. You can.
Oh, okay.
You're permitted to.
It's really good.
What are you doing?
Adam, have some of this fruit. It's really good. Well, that was easy. Good, huh? Yeah? You like it?
Did you guys eat that fruit?
What fruit?
Leave right now. Get out.
Why? But the snake told me to.
Stupid snakes. Slither around on your belly, you snake.
Oh, poor snake.
Guys, you are banished from the Garden of Eden. Okay, I'm gonna see the tree of life over there. I'm gonna put an angel with a flaming sword over there to make sure you guys don't touch it.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss this place.
Do you realize
So
we don't have any
nice.
clothes on?
I don't know what you're talking about.
We should get that fixed.
I disagree.
Yeah. Can we have a baby?
Just need a table.
What about Kane?
That seems like a really sketchy name.